Welcome to our channel. If you want to schedule dark mode on the YouTube app, follow this quick guide to automatically switch between light and dark themes based on your preference or system settings. Step 1. Open the YouTube app on your mobile device and make sure you're using the latest version for full feature access. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. From the menu that appears, select Settings to access the app configuration options. Step 4. In the Settings menu, tap on General to view display and behavior options. Step 5. Look for the Appearance option and tap on it to access theme settings. Step 6. You'll see 3 options: Use Device Theme, Dark Theme, and Light Theme. Select Use Device Theme to automatically follow your phone's system-wide dark mode schedule. Step 7. To set up your device's dark mode schedule, exit YouTube and go to your phone's Settings, then Display Settings, where you can schedule dark mode based on sunset, sunrise, or custom times. Step 8. Return to YouTube and the app will now automatically switch between light and dark modes according to your device's scheduled settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.